topic of the story is called The Rolling Calf. A long time ago, in a quiet village near the hills, people lived simply, planting crops, raising animals, and gathering around fire to tell stories. But one tale always brought chill down their spine: the tale of the rolling calf. They said the rolling calf was no ordinary beast. He was once a wicked man, greedy and heartless, who made a pact with the devil to gain wealth and power. When he died, his spirit couldn't rest. Instead, he was cursed, turning into a monstrous creature, a giant bull with fury, skin and glowing red eyes. Chains wrapped around his body clang loudly as he walked. Now he roamed the countryside at night, haunting the wicked and scaring the innocent. One evening, a young girl named Mavis decided to walk home from the market in the nearby town. The sun had already set, and the moon lit the road like a silver lantern. She wasn't afraid. She never believed those old stories. It's just village talk, she says. No ghost can scare me. As she crossed the old stone bridge near the river, the wind fell still. Then in the silence, she heard it, a loud clang, 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 like chains dragging over stones. She froze. Slowly, she turned around, and there it was. Huge! Fury! Eyes glowing like coal. A creature standing in the middle of the road. Steam rose from its nostrils, and flames licked its back. Chains wrapped around its legs and chest, dragging behind it with every step. The rolling calf! Mavis exclaimed. She turned to run, but her legs wouldn't move. The beast stepped closer, snorting and growling. Her grandmother's voice echoed in her head. If you should ever see the rolling calf, cross your legs and say, I walk with light, not with fear. She took a deep breath. Shaking, she crossed her legs on the road and shouted, I walk with light, not with fear. The rolling calf stopped. His chains went silent. The fire around him dimmed. He stared at Mavis with something almost like sadness in his eyes. Why aren't you afraid? He growled. Because my heart is clean, Mavis replied. You only haunt those with darkness inside them. The beast let out a long moan, turned slowly, and vanished into a cloud of smoke. From that night on, the rolling calf never returned to the village, and the people told Mavis's story to their children, reminding them that courage, truth, and a clean heart were stronger than any ghost. And with that, I just want to say blessings always. Walk with light, not with fright. Till next time, bye bye.